Use a pet-safe labeled pyrethroid perimeter spray to reduce crawling insects entering your home. Choose a consumer formula that lists Bifenthrin or cyfluthrin as the active ingredient and read the label fully before mixing. Mix only to the concentrations the label specifies and use a hand pump or pump sprayer with a fan nozzle to lay down a uniform band of product about 2 to 3 feet wide along the foundation, concentrating on the soil line and any cracks or gaps. Treat windowsills, door thresholds, and entry points where landscaping touches siding. Apply on dry surfaces and avoid spraying plants that are not listed on the label as safe to treat, and do not apply before heavy rain, which will wash the product away. Limit applications to the labeled seasonal frequency and maximum rate to keep exposures low for pets and people, and spot treat rather than blanket spraying hardscape and non-infested areas. Store mixed product or unused concentrate locked away and out of reach of children and animals, and clean sprayer equipment outdoors following label rinsing instructions to prevent contamination. If you have pets that roam near treated areas, wait the label-specified re-entry time before allowing them access to the treated perimeter, and consider using pet barriers like temporary fencing or leash control until residues dry. Common mistakes include applying too high a concentration or more often than the label allows, which increases risk to pets and the environment, so always follow the labeled rate and schedule. Another frequent issue is treating foliage and non-labeled surfaces, which can harm beneficial insects and plants, so confine sprays to the foundation band, threshold, and gaps described on the label. A third problem is expecting a single treatment to eliminate all crawling pests. Combine perimeter treatments with sanitation, sealing cracks, and removing debris so the insect pressure is reduced and the product works as intended. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and source products and techniques like pet-safe perimeter pyrethroid sprays. We also connect contractors with work opportunities and host a discussion community where users and professionals exchange tips and local experiences.